everyone, my name is Victoria Clark and welcome to my course, Financial Management, Automate Forecasting in Python. I am a chartered management accountant working in different industries for many years, and one of the biggest topics in my career in the past few years is the topic of big data and how it affects companies when it comes to financial management. In this course, we are going to explore how we can automate data with Python to enable us to build relevant forecasts used in financial management. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the importance of data in building a good forecast, how to collect and convert data with Python, how to keep data up to date with Python and SQLite, and visually expressing our data with Python. By the end of this course, you'll know how to automate your financial forecast from data collection to visual presentation, as well as to understand some core concepts regarding financial management. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Python to an intermediate level, as well as have a basic level of understanding of SQLite database. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to automate your financial forecasting process with the Automate Forecasting in Python course at Pluralsight.